Welcome back everyone my channels. Today I am discuss what is type casting in a Pythons. Mostly how many types of type casting and what is type casting in a Python. First of all, and what is type casting? Type casting means a variable change to another variable is called type casting. First is implicity and second is explicit. What is implicity? Implicity I means data can change automatically to another data types. Just like for example, a is equal to 10 assign and b is equal to 20.4 float is value and print 1 plus b as the output you see at 30.4. How to change in the value and float point? Actually you see is the float point is the frequency is higher than output is 30.4, and explicitly is the user can only change data to another data. Just like a assign a 5.4, I want to change the integer value, and float point I want to change the integer value. So a is equal to 10. I assign the b is a variable assigned into is a data type change a assigned and print 1 plus b and output you see 30 and 30 is output on integer value you see. And let's open the Visual Studio Code how to implement implicity and explicity, and delete the code and select the all. And first of all I'm select the all code and delete the code, and we assign and a 10 and b assign we assign is a 20 and so I'm take the first of implicity, how to implicity use, and first a plus b and you take the output on like a 30.5, you see output b. And second how to assign explicity. So as the explicitly only user define a is equal to 20 and v is a variable, and how and I am change the this value is float. A is equal to 20, I am want to change the value 20 is point 0, and a and is float is data types and a assign and print v then output 20.0. You can see the output easily, and you see the u 20.0 is the output as the easily. And explicitly only user can define, in order to define automatically change the data types. Automatically is not changing data, only can user change the data. In this video we'll learn what is data types and how many data types, implicity and what is explicity. So thank you for watching my video, and bye and take care.